I'm going to make a caper dill cream cheese, but the base of it you could use to make any flavors that you like. You can do, you know, vegetable or scallion or garlic and herb. I've already gotten started with my cashew cream, which is just a cup of cashews and a half a cup of water, and blend it up until smooth. So now I'm going to add tofu, which I've just, to take some of the moisture out of it, I just folded it up in a towel. Break that up and throw it in. Then add some lemon juice, a little bit of salt, and then I'm just gonna blend this up until it's nice and smooth before adding my other ingredients. I've already squeezed about a half a lemon to get that lemon juice. And you could just keep your hand right under the lemon so that you can keep the seeds from getting in there. I like a lot of flavor in my food, so I'm actually going to use this whole container of dill. And I also like to throw in a little bit of the brine from the capers. See? All right, keep those capers from going in. The capers will fold in after this gets blended. Let's give it a go again. So just add this into the bowl, and then we'll fold in these capers. I'm using about a tablespoon and a half of capers. Pretty simple to make. And like I said, the base is a perfect base for cream cheese to do whatever you want, to customize it to your own tastes. The caper dill cream cheese is a bit of a sophisticated flavor, and one of the things I love it with is my Carrot Lox. It goes so perfectly together. But if you want to use the base to make something a little more kid-friendly, you could fold some berries into it, or you could just have the plain base and add some jelly. That's what my mom used to do when we were kids. She'd make us cream cheese and jelly sandwiches. So I hope this cream cheese is as enjoyable to you as it is to us. Until next time, remember to be kind to all kinds.